Welcome to the workshop on the legal and regulatory framework on technology transfers in Ghana. It's in collaboration with the Bank of Ghana and generously sponsored by the GIZ. We'll be having presentations from very senior members of the Ghana Investment Promotion Center, the Bank of Ghana, and the Ghana Revenue Authority.
The issue of technology transfer is being demystified by the Ghana Investment Promotion Center. It's not rocket science. It's very easy to understand, but the important thing is that it must be in line with our technology transfer regulations. So we encourage all businesses to come to the GIPC to learn what it is about so that you don't find yourself in that awkward situation.
It's an opportunity for us, that when I say us, I mean GIPC, Bank of Ghana, GRA, to sensitize key stakeholders such as yourself on TTAs, and also get, most importantly, your feedback, your input, your recommendations on how we can work better with you to make the processing and registration of TTAs as efficient and as effective as possible.
So far as TTAs are concerned, the chief institution is the GIPC. So when you go, they will revert to us, as she said, and we'll also look at it.
For your TTA provisions, bear in mind that whatever fees that you are paying should comply with the arm's length principle.